If you've lost access to your CapCut account and don't have access to your email, you can still attempt to recover it. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Open the CapCut app. Launch the CapCut app on your device. Ensure you are using the latest version of the app for the best results. Step 2. Go to the login screen. On the main screen of the app, tap on the option to log in. This will take you to the login screen where you can enter your credentials. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. Look for the Forgot Password link on the login screen. Tap on it to initiate the account recovery process. Step 4. Choose alternative recovery options. Since you don't have access to your email, check for alternative recovery options provided by CapCut, such as using your phone number or social media accounts linked to your CapCut account. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions for the recovery method you selected. This may involve receiving a verification code via SMS or logging in through a linked social media account. If you successfully follow these steps, you should be able to recover your CapCut account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to CapCut support for further assistance.